Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Snapchat suspicious login. If you see Snapchat suspicious login alert, it usually means someone or sometimes just you tried to access your account from a new device, location, or network. Too many failed logins or using a VPN can also trigger this. To fix it, start by changing your password in settings using a strong combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, verify your email and phone number under My Account, and terminate any unknown sessions to secure your account. Switching networks like moving from Wi Fi to mobile data and turning off VPNs can help avoid false alerts. If the issue persists, contact Snapchat support through the Help Center, explaining the suspicious login, and provide your account details. Following the steps should remove the alert and keep your Snapchat account secure. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.